Alright guys, welcome back to another video of your man Jay. So today we're going to be doing some more stuff with Whitestone Dome. This is their clear case and their Dome Easy Glass for the front portion of the Z Flip 4. So we're going to start with the clear case, pop this on and check it out. If you haven't seen my other video, be sure to check it out. Here's some hinge protection in here too, but I already have a Whitestone Dome hinge protector on there. Be sure to check out the other video I've done with the full clear case on the hinge and the back and the glass here. I took this portion off so I can go ahead and demonstrate the way their glass goes on. So first we'll do the case. This is pretty simple. This case comes in different colors in here. It has like a black version and then it's got this cream looking version. So this is what they sent over here. So we're going to go ahead and clean the device up. Pop the front on, and I'm going to apply the glass in this video too. And this is how the case looks. So I mean, while this isn't my first choice in a case, it's an eclectic, different looking case. You got the front open down here, or the bottom and top open right here. You got all the side open right here. It's got a little bit of branding in there that says Z Flip, looks like, inside the case. You got a spot for a lanyard. And then you got this hook here to hold on to it, and you got some extra Whitestone branding here on the front. So it's an eclectic case. Wireless charging should definitely work. Let's get the charger up here, and there's your wireless charging. So wireless charging is good. All right, and now let's go ahead and try on, or put on, the Easy Dome glass. And again, this has hinge support too, but I already have one on there, so be sure to check out that other video that I've done. Now you get a 2-pack here. There's 2 in here, and I just find it easier. I find it easier to apply this part of the screen here with a case on, because it lines up perfectly for you. So we're going to go ahead and clean this off. You can do this however you want to do it. There's really no wrong or right way to do it, really, as long as you get it on there and seat it the way you want it seated. And we'll hit it with the dust removal sticker here. And straight to the point. Remember to check out my other video, Whitestone Dome. I'll leave links to everything that I've done a video on down below, the products where you can purchase them, and then you can go ahead and search the channel and check it out if you want to watch those videos. Gotta clean this up again. It kind of got a little, I think it's good though. Yeah, it's good. Now we just take the glass and drop it down in there. This has got to be one of the simplest installs ever. Just make sure you don't touch the film, the glass, and that's it. And they're all the same. This is the this is the mirror version here. There's different versions, but this is the mirror version, where you have a mirror to look at yourself. And I hold it up here, you'll see. You can't really see it too well, but there's part of the camera. But it is a mirror version on here. There you go. You see my finger right there? Peace. Yeah. So this is the mirror version of this. So I guess they're trying to gear this towards ladies or something like that, but. There it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Nice setup from Whitestone Dome. Links to everything is down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.